Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to change your banner button color on Shopify stores, then this video is for you. So for example, if I go to my store here, so in customize, I'm going to add a banner here. So for example, in product page, I'm going to go to product page here. So from here, I'm going to add a banner, the banner here, like let me show you. So here it is, the image banner. So you can add that image banner here. So here you can see I have just added that image banner. So from here it will appear with an image and text combination and a section that will hold your text, and here is two button, but we don't need two buttons here. So here is button 1 and here is button 2. So I'm going to delete that button here. So just like this here, just like this, it has just appeared one button here. So as you can see, there is no option to change this button color. So it is actually the default color from here, or there is no option. So you can simply do one thing, that is actually you can go to this edit code button here, where the banner is. So from here you can just simply search for base and base.css. This is the base.css. Now you have to go to the very bottom. Here you can see space here, line where you can add some code, a custom CSS code here. So for that you can find a code that will help you to change the banner button color. So in Pastebin, you can just log into your account or sign up for a new account, and you can search for banner button color, and you can find this guest post here that you can use to change your button color. So you have to save you have to copy this all of this code here. So I'm going to copy it just like this. Now I'm going to paste that code here. Now from here you can find I have just added this here. From here the code is started. Now here is the button content, banner content button. So this is actually the button color that you can change. So you can open that color here. So you can simply click on it and search Google. So this is the actual color of that code, that hex code here. So you can change that button color from here. So I'm going to change that button color. So I'm going to get this neon color from here, for example the neon color, just like this. And here is the hex code. So I'm going to copy that hex code from here, and there it is. So you have to just paste that hex code here. So it will just change that button background color. So here you can add a hover effect, or I can add another color. So let me add another color. I'm going to add a black and white, just because of my theme is actually depends on black and white. So I'm going to add a black button here. So I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it in this section here. Now paste it. Now border, and the border color here. So border, and let me show you, and the color is black. So the color is not black actually, it is white, so solid white. So I'm going to search for that actually here. So search for it, and yeah. Now hover color is actually this color. So if I hover on it, it will appear in this color. So but I want to make it white, so just like this. So we can going to copy that and paste that hex code in this section, this hover effect section. Now just like this, the border color, and border color will be black, and this will be white. So I'm going to select the white color here, and I'm going to paste that border color in this section here, like and the black color in the hover section, the border color. So it will change the button in primarily in it will change the button in black color, but whenever and the border will be in white color, but whenever we just hover over that button, then it will just turn into white color and the border will be turned into black color. So let's see, we have to simply click on save button here, and you have to simply click on preview store, and here it is. So we're going to go to products, and let's see the banner where it was like, for example, I think it is in this product, or you can go to this one section here. We can scroll here, no, not that. So where it was, here it is. So we're going to reload it. So let's see if it's changed the color or not. So it's reloading actually. So wait till it loads properly. As you can see, it is just changed. I have just changed that button color. So there was a mistake that I have forget to save this image banner in this product list. So that's why it has just I can actually find that it has just lost from that page. So that's why I have just added it again, and I have just edited that color from here. So it has just, I have edited it as a neon color. So let me show you. I have just changed it to neon color from here. Here it is. And also I have just added for the hover effect, color is white. So whenever I hover my mouse cursor on that button, so it will turn into white. So let me show you. Here you can see, as soon as I hover over that button, it turned into white. So that's how you can simply you can just actually change the button color of your image banner just like this by editing the code. So this is the only method that you can use to change your image banner button color. So you don't use white color, just because of this will just disappear that button. So use a light color that will help persons to get attention at that button, to click on that button, so attracted to the button. And so that's why you have to use a bright color like bright red, or this neon color, or bright blue here, just like this, or the cyan color. So that's how you can just easily change the button color on your image banner. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and thanks for watching. Till next time.